Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to control the LED screen via Novastar TB series player. There are 3 methods.
Option 1. USB cable. Power on TB player. Connect the TB player and the PC with a USB cable. Connect the TB player and the LED screen with an Ethernet cable. Open software NovaLCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Option 2. Wi-Fi. Ensure that the antenna is connected to the TB player. Connect the hotspot of the TB player. Open software NovaLCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Option 3. Ethernet cable. Connect the PC and the TB player with an Ethernet cable. Open Network and Internet settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Select the Ethernet network. Click Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4. Change the IP address. Open software NovaLCT and log in. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Screen connection. Click Send to hardware. Save. Change the program. Open software ViPlex Express. Click Solutions. Regular screen. Select a screen. Click Page List. Select a file to play. Click Publish.
Based on different installation solutions, you can choose different methods to publish the content. Hope today's video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.